Paul Davis Restoration of Tampa has been serving the commercial property community in their time of need for over 50 years. No job is too big or small when you're dealing with commercial property damage, where your number one priority is to keep your business open, your properties rented, and your tenants happy. Paul Davis can customize a first priority disaster response program for your commercial property, whether you are a property manager, building owner, facilities manager, or landlord, so that when property damage strikes, we are already on our way to save the day. Paul Davis Restoration.